Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the 12 cube organizer by Better Homes and Gardens. This is their white finish and it can be found on walmart.com. Before you start, you want to lay out all your panels, make sure you have all your hardware, and make sure nothing was damaged while shipping. If you have any issues, you can call the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If everything else is in order, then we can begin assembly. In step 1, you're going to want to have your two B panels and 8 cam bolts. Lay your B panels facing upward so that the 4 pre-drilled holes are facing up. Then you'll want to insert 4 cam bolts into each panel. In step 2, you're going to want to grab your 9 D panels and all of your plastic dowel pieces. The first 3, you're going to want to put in 4 plastic dowels per panel into each of these 4 pre-drilled holes. Remember that this is only the first 3. Okay, your first 3. You're going to do the remaining 6 with only 2 plastic dowel pieces. Be sure to insert them onto the same unfinished side in the 2 pre-drilled holes. So you should have 6 with 2 and 3 with 4. In step 3, you're going to need your 2 C panels and 8 cam locks. On the top of the cam lock, there will be one piece of this arrowhead that is longer and pointed than the others. This longer side, you're going to want to direction towards the outside of the short side of the board where there's a pre-drilled hole. So you want to point it this way. This one, align the long pointy arrow outside of the board. Repeat this on all 4 holes on each board. If you align it incorrectly, you can use a screwdriver to direct it the right direction. In step 4, you're going to want to keep your C panels here and then grab all of your D panels. Start with the 3 D panels that have 4 plastic dowel pieces in them. Stand up a C panel. And then insert 3 D panels into the C panel. Okay, once you've done this, take 3 more D panels and attach them to these plastic dowel pieces that are sticking out. So you want these plastic dowels facing away from this board. Once you've attached those, you'll then want to grab your other C panel. Make sure to take note of which side your cam locks are facing and keep it consistent between the boards. So mine are facing to my right, so I'll keep these to the right. Finally, attach your remaining 3 D panels to the rest of the structure. For step 5, you're going to want to go grab your 2 B panels. Then slide them in to the C. This is the side without wooden dowel or plastic dowel pieces sticking out of it. If it does not slide in, that means that your cam locks are not positioned correctly. Once you have attached your B panels, tighten down the cam locks by turning clockwise. For step 6, you're going to want to keep your assembly that we've been building and grab your 2 A panels, all of your screw bolts, your end caps, and your safety strap assembly. You can start by attaching one of the A panels or sliding it in these plastic dowel pieces. Once it is attached, you can grab 4 of your screw bolts and screw it in to these 4 outer pre-drilled holes. I like to get them started into this board right here on all 4 before I tighten them down securely. Once you have secured the 4 screw bolts into this side, you can then grab 4 plastic end cap pieces. And pop them in over the screws. Now attach your other A panel to this other side. Then grab your other 4 screw bolts and screw the A panel into the assembly. Now that you have those 4 screw bolts in, take those plastic end caps and cover up the screws. Once you place those end caps on there, you can go ahead and grab your screwdriver and your safety strap assembly. Next, you will want to locate what side your cam locks are on. So if they're on this side, this means that this is the bottom, so I want to come to the top. So on this side, I should see no cam locks. In your screw assembly, there will be a wall anchor for the drywall, your strap, a long screw, a short screw, and 2 washers. You're going to want to take your strap and the short screw in a washer, place the strap down on the edge, put in the screw through the washer, put it through that pre-drilled hole in the strap, and then screw it in. Once your safety strap is attached, you can then lift up the unit. We recommend 2 people to do this. Now you will want to line this up against a wall and simply strap it in. As you can see here, you will want to attach this strap to the wall. And then you will have a complete unit.